In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix error code drowned on Minecraft on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Usually, this error code occurs because you have encountered a not no error during sign-in. So if you try to sign in to your Microsoft account to play Minecraft Bedrock Edition and an error happened that isn't given a title, you will get the error code drowned. Now, I want to make it very clear that while there are ways to fix this, it is going to differ for every single person. Some results might be different depending on the method that you do. So what I recommend that you try is first, fully close out of Minecraft Bedrock Edition. After you do this, completely reset your device. So turn off your console, let it rest for a while, and then turn it back on again. And as you might expect, you will now be able to open the game and attempt to log in again. If it doesn't work, then the next thing that I would recommend is to try out a different PlayStation Network account. Even if you plan to go back on the original PlayStation Network account you were using to play, this is important so you can determine if the problem is attributed to the installation of the game, your console, or the PlayStation Network account. So create a new user and open the game. When you open the game with the new user, see if it works, and if it does, you can determine that you will not be able to play on the old user that you are trying to use. Now, if it still doesn't work and you are getting the same error for both or all PlayStation Network accounts that you try, then unfortunately there isn't much else that you can do. What I recommend now is that you check for updates or that you uninstall Minecraft Bedrock Edition completely and reinstall it again. Of course, make sure that you have backups of your worlds, but by doing a fresh install of the game, you will be able to determine if the problem was indeed attributed to your installation. If all else fails, just give it some hours or even some days, and the authentication service should be fixed. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix error code drowned in Minecraft on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.